this is Pat again with Bay & Bay, joined again with Matt Thompson, one of our planners here. He's going to talk to us a little bit today about how he plans our drivers.
So really every day when we're planning, we're going through the whole fleet and coming into our areas, looking at how many miles out you are, how many hours you left have on your clock, how many hours you have on your 70, and really looking at a lot of different variables to make sure that you're planned on productive freight to keep you moving and making sure that we're servicing the customer at the same time. Whether that's you have a drop or a live unload. With our customers, we know who these people are that maybe take a longer time to live unload, so we know how to kind of try to pad those times to make sure that your truck is moving as quickly as possible and making sure that you're making money. And obviously, number one importance for us right now is making sure we're servicing our customers.
Makes a lot of sense to keep our drivers moving, that they got to be planned one, sometimes two loads ahead. Make sure everybody's keeping moving.
Right. And then I think the biggest thing for us right now is making sure that there's proactive communication from the driver so we can understand what's going on with you. Maybe you've set your PTA for a time and it doesn't really line up when you're unloading. Well, we need to know, okay, are you needing a trailer washout? Do you need to stop and do some laundry? Are you just tired? Knowing that information from every single driver individually, what's going on with them and what they need is really the key to making sure that you're getting a successful plan so you can keep your truck moving.
Makes a lot of sense there. It helps drivers use all 70 on their clock too.
That's the goal. And that's really how we do things from the planning perspective, making sure there's proactive communication, making sure that we know everything that's going on with you as much as possible to set you up for your day. And that's how we do things in planning.
That makes sense. And the easier your job is, the easier our job is, and the easier job the driver's job is. So once again, another example of it takes all of us to make this work.